Hello, dear students. We have these changes which are going through adolescence. Next change is a change in body shape. Change in body shape. Change in body shape. It is the most important change in adolescence, that the body of an individual gets changed. There are changes in the body. And what are these changes? Number one, what are these different changes? Number one, the face, or you can say in case of boys, if we see in boys and in girls, what the changes occur inside the boys. Face is having mustaches on face. Boys develop mustaches, or you can say beard on their face, but these mustaches and beard is not present in case of girls. Another is these broad shoulders. These in case of boys there is broad shoulders. The shoulders become developed broad, but in case of girls, this pelvic region becomes broad. That is known as this pelvic region, that region which is behind the waist. Not behind the, but below the waist is pelvic region, or you can say thigh region, or the area below your belly, that is known as pelvic region. In case of boys, the shoulders become broad. In case of girls, pelvic region becomes broad. Next is muscle development. Muscle development occurs in boys. Muscles get developed in case of boys, but in case of girls, the thighs become more round shaped. Another, in case of girls, breasts begin to develop. Breasts begin to develop in case of girls. These are the changes which an individual is going through the adolescence age. Boys and girls, they are having different areas of development. These we discussed height, and now it is the changes in the bodies. The bodies of these boys and girls, they get changed with the age, or in this adolescence period. Because why these changes occur inside the body of an organism of a boy or of a girl? Because actually these are the secondary changes, or these are of secondary importance for the development of an individual's reproductive these capabilities, or reproductive these capacities, so that the individual or the individuals, they reproduce efficiently as the body gets development through this age. These are some changes which the body of an individual faces during the adolescence period. And a very important point regarding this is that broad shoulders, that means a sign which will show the broad shoulders is like this, V-shaped broad shoulders. In broad, pelvic region becomes broad, that means girls show this sign. Where you will see this sign, it is a sign of girl, and this sign is a or you can say a development of pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is this, that is also known as pelvic girdle, and this is known as pectoral girdle. And these are the changes which occur inside your body during the development, and these changes help us to recognize boys and girls from a distance. Thank you.